Stock number 22309, a 2018 Audi SQ5 front clip with park assist. Does not have adaptive cruise, it appears. Should have the 3.0 liter engines. You'll have that cooling package. The hood is nice and clean, no damage to the hood. That is all good. Same with both fenders. This was a nice clean clip. You have the LED headlights. We have park assist sensors, headlamp washers. Grille is nice and complete as well, no cracks. Got the front surround view camera. Nice clean driver's side. I can't really see the headlight tabs, but nothing broken in there. It's going to come with the cooling package, so you've got your radiator condenser, your fan assembly. Let's take a look over here on the passenger side. You're good to go there. There's the cooling. See the fan assembly. All right, you got your fender liners, washer bottle, coolant bottle. Under the hood, miscellaneous plastics. All right, stock number 22309, 2018 Audi SQ5 front clip in stock now.